Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok without viewing their profile. But before we start the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Let's get started. Start by opening the TikTok app. I'm on my iPhone, but you can do the same steps if you're in an Android device. Now, look for your profile on the bottom right and tap it. Now, the first thing that we need to do is disable profile views. So at the top right, you can see those two little feet. Tap on it. Then tap the gear icon on the top right, and I'm going to toggle off profile view history. What this does is when I go to anyone's profile, it will not show that I have seen their profile. Keep in mind that there's no way to block somebody unless you go to their specific profile page. So, the best option that you have is to disable profile views. Quickly go to that profile and block them. And once you're done, just enable profile views again if you want. Now, let's say I want to block this specific profile. Find the share button at the top right and tap it. Now I'll go and tap on block, then block again. But since I've disabled profile views, this person will not know that I visited their profile. Then, to go back, just tap again on your profile on the bottom right, tap on those 2 feet icons, and now I can turn this back on. And now, they will never know that I visited their profile before blocking them on TikTok. Hope this video helps.